The reason why we are here because we are Muslim. إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ إِخْوَةٌ. Those brothers in Philistine, they are our brothers. That's our blood. Our war is one. Our deen is one. Our Rasul is one. The solution, very simple. Jihad fi sabilillah. We have armies. We have tanks. We have soldiers. What are they waiting for? Oh yeah, if this goes out to the Muslim armies, what are you waiting for? Jihad is responsibility on you. Wipe out that Zionist entity. How dare they occupy the Al-Aqsa? How dare they? How dare they? Have you got no honor in you? The Muslim youth here, we the Muslims in the West, we are with you. We make dua for you. Make jihad fi sabilillah. Remove the Zionists. You have these armies and tanks. What for? Remove them, and we'll make dua for you, inshallah. Very soon, very soon, you will see this. You will see this Ummah's response very soon when we remove these dictators, these tyrants, and we replace another Hazrat Umar, and we will send you another Salahuddin, and you Zionist entity will be no more. We don't fear anyone but Allah. We don't fear the United Nations, British government. We don't give a damn. We only fear Allah. Jihad, fi sabilillah, by the armies. I hope you know, brothers, broadcaster.